how to run a purchased Unity project. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to, of course, open our Unity hub right here and then open the game wherein we want to run the project that you have purchased. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this right here. So let's open that. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do is to go here on the upper left corner of the screen and then click the Windows. Once you're here, just click the Package Management and then click My Assets. So just click My Assets right there. And then after that, you will see all of the assets that you have right here. Now, if you don't see it, all you have to do is to click this plus icon and then click Install Package from your disk. So just look for the project that you want to install. So just look for that. Once you find it, all you have to do is to double click on it or just click Import or Open. Now, once you do that, your purchased project should now pop up right here in your assets, and you should now be able to use it into your Unity. So that is basically it. That is how to run a purchased Unity project.